the OS1 is probably the ultimate expression of what we're capable of doing. It's built from decades worth of knowledge, understanding, and people being out in some of the toughest conditions on the planet. Our job is to build a product that equips them and helps them survive those conditions. And working with the likes of Nikwax, industry experts in fabric technology, has really opened our eyes in terms of what's possible, what we can deliver and what we can achieve, and how far we can push the performance of our garments as well. It's partly driven by sustainability legislation that's coming through. So quite rightly, we want to be at the forefront of that. So we're always sort of watching what's happening on a global basis, really, and making sure we adapt our business accordingly. We make sure we're complying to all the latest legislation.
What I associate Gill in this space with is really taking that step and talking with us a bit about it, partnering together and collaborating to say this isn't as difficult as it could be perceived as. We've done it for 50 years and we understand what you can achieve with PFAS-free chemistry. And so we think that's what we bring to kind of the partnership side of it, is that you can still get the high level performance, but the ease of ownership, the maintaining performance and extending the life of the gear, all good sustainability practices. We want that kit to last as long as possible for the customer. So Gill's, kind of vision there was paramount to making this partnership work.
Nikwax have been proudly PFAS-free for nearly 50 years. We've never used PFAS in any of our products. We've never used aerosols in any of our products. We've built our business around doing things differently, focusing on high performance and low environmental impact. Our technology is designed to be as environmentally friendly as possible, but also whilst offering maximum protection. It's really important that we can demonstrate that you can use PFAS-free technology in the most extreme environments, and that there is no need for these highly polluting bioaccumulative chemicals to be used in apparel. It's not necessary for the level of performance that's required.
Applying it directly at the factory means we can effectively embed it within the fabric itself. So it's coated at a yarn level effectively. So it absorbs and sort of fixes into the fabric to a much greater level than, say, a simple chemical wash might do with a standard applied DWR. It took a lot of trial and error. It took a lot of sort of coaching and sort of working directly with our fabric mill as well. But yeah, after many iterations and tests and trials, etc., we're really happy with the performance.
The marine category offers a unique set of challenges with the environment around saltwater and real-time exposure to everything. Gear performance, apparel performance is just so important in that environment. And Gill was a great partner for us to try to collaborate with, understand the needs of the market and how we could help support it with Nikwax technology. It's the first partnership in this part of the sector, and Gill could not be a better organization for us to partner with along those lines. Again, the like-mindedness, I think, is important, and very open and willing to kind of allow for some of the development things that happen during that process. They can be both good and challenging, but we just keep focused on the finish line. Gill, we felt like, had exactly the same approach to things and was willing to work with us to find the right solution.